If you're a beginner to meditation, or maybe you're just not getting the results you want, in this video, I'm going to teach you about the 3 different levels of meditation techniques there are in the world today and how you can now rank them based on their ability to influence your life, like your performance levels and flow state, your income, your health and well-being, and most important, your spiritual development, which is the highest purpose of meditation. This way, you can also determine what are the best meditation techniques you should be using right now to achieve your goals. And if you need to maybe upgrade your current meditation techniques. Plus, I'm going to share with you the meditation techniques that are scientifically proven to unlock your higher brain power by evolving your brain to its highest level, and the reason why so many people struggle when practicing meditation. Really cool stuff. Super excited to be sharing it with you. Hello, my name is Todd Denen, and everything in this lesson I've learned from the advanced monks over the last 32 years. These are the 7th level monks, saints, and yogis who can enter the breathless state of God meditation. If you're not familiar with the no breath or breathless state of God meditation, make sure you check out my video on it, and please subscribe so you don't miss any of my new videos on meditation. Okay, let's rock and roll. The 3 levels of meditation. Over the last 30 years, I've seen a lot of misinformation and confusion out there about meditation, and it drives me crazy, especially in the United States. So I created the 3 levels of meditation so anyone can now quickly classify, categorize, and rank all of these different meditation techniques into 3 different levels of meditation, and the 3 levels are based on their power, or the power of a meditation technique to directly influence your body, mind, and soul, or intuition, because intuition is the guidance and intelligence that comes from our soul. All levels of meditation can help you improve physically, mentally, and spiritually, but the degree or the level of their influence will vary significantly. So in part 1, I'll show you the parameters I use to develop and create the 3 levels of meditation, and then in part 2, I'll compare the major differences between the 3 levels. So let's start with how to evaluate meditation techniques. Here are the parameters I use to develop the 3 levels of meditation, and it's based on 1, the 7th level monks and the advanced meditation techniques which they've been practicing and using for over 5,000 years now. 2, the level of influence that a meditation technique has over your body, mind, and intuition and soul. 3, the direction of energy flow. Is your energy, focus, and willpower being directed outward or inward? Because that makes a big difference in your results. And 4, are you practicing a spiritual or a non-spiritual meditation technique? Now in part 2, let's look at the 3 levels of meditation. First up, the level 1 meditation techniques. Level 1 is the lowest level of meditation because these techniques have the lowest amount of power to influence your life. Because 1, these are non-spiritual meditation techniques, and 2, your focus, energy, and willpower are directed outward to your 5 senses. This is where you'll find mindfulness, meditation apps, and meditation music. And the mindfulness technique we're talking about here is based on the information presented on the mindful.org website. When you practice mindfulness, use a meditation app or listen to meditation music, you're focusing your attention and the electrical energy in your nervous system outward to your 5 senses. And this outward focus is what limits your ability to achieve the highest states of meditation that we see when compared to, or when you're using, the level 3 God meditation techniques. So here are some of the benefits of mindfulness. I like mindfulness because I tend to think about, or I'm more focused on the future, and so it helps me to appreciate what I have today. So each morning when I wake up, I try to be mindful of 3 positive things in my life by acknowledging and expressing my gratitude for them. Plus, the advanced monks say you should be mindful of what you're trying to achieve each day. Every second, this higher level of focus and attention is very beneficial for completing your daily goals. Next, we have the level 2 meditation techniques. With the level 2 meditation techniques, your focus, energy, and willpower are now directed inward, and like level 1, the level 2 meditation techniques are also not spiritual meditation techniques. For level 2, let's look at the Transcendental Meditation technique. When I went to the tm.org website, I found this statement. It says, Transcendental Meditation is the simple, effortless practice that develops consciousness and unlocks your fullest creativity, calm, and clarity. So there are 2 things I'd like to point out here about this statement in regards to maximizing your meditation results. Point 1, effortless meditation. When you see things like effortless meditation, that may sound great to you, but this should set off some red flags, because to maximize your meditations, it does require some physical and mental effort. As neuroscientist Andrew Huberman said, if something were easy and effortless, then there is absolutely zero reason for your neurocircuits in your brain to change or improve. So be careful when you hear a meditation technique claim that it's effortless. Point 2, the use of the word fullest. In studying the advanced monks, I would say your fullest creativity, calm, and clarity can only be achieved at the spiritual level by practicing the level 3 God meditation techniques. That's why all of these monks, yogis, saints meditate on God. Now let's look at the level 3 meditation techniques. This is the highest level and the highest level or purpose of meditation. At level 3, we have God meditation techniques. So your focus, energy, and willpower are directed inward, and these are spiritual meditation techniques. Level 3 is the highest level of meditation because the God meditation techniques have the most influence over your life, over your body, mind, and intuition, or your soul intelligence, as proven by science and the advanced 7th level monks. God meditation is the original meditation technique, first discovered by the ancient monks of India over 5,000 years ago. That's 2,500 years before Buddha and Buddhism. This is super important. The original definition of meditation is focused concentration on God. Focused concentration on God, because meditation is a spiritual act that connects you directly with God at the highest level. When the advanced monks, saints, yogis like St. Paul, St. John, and Yogananda are talking about meditation, they're talking about God meditation. All forms of meditation trace their roots back to the original God meditation technique, and as former Buddhist monk Chad Foreman said, the ultimate Buddhist meditation technique started in India and then later flourished in Tibet. So now check this out, your gamma brain waves. Let's look at how the level 3 meditation techniques influence your brain power and the evolution of your body and mind. They have scientifically proven that the advanced God meditation techniques actually change and evolve your brain to its highest level. So a crazy thing happened when they scanned the brains of these advanced monks who regularly practice this level 3 of meditation techniques. In the book Altered Traits, neuroscientist Richard Davison explains how they used state-of-the-art brain scanners and tests and they said the results were astounding and that science has never seen anything like this before. Never before. These monks had permanently upgraded their brainwaves to the gamma brainwave level. That's where we find your intuition, which is your soul intelligence, which makes sense. The 7th level monks say the advanced God meditation techniques are a shortcut that God gave to man so that we could rapidly accelerate human performance, flow state, evolution, and spiritual development. There are 7 levels of spiritual development, 7 grade levels acknowledged in the Bible and holy books. So make sure you check out my video on the 7 levels if you're interested in spiritual development and that stuff. Finally, let's look at one of the biggest challenges with practicing meditation. This is why people struggle with meditation. Many individuals struggle because they have not been taught the advanced level 3 meditation techniques. These techniques help you to control your 5 senses. Without this level of higher control over your senses in your body, seeing, hearing, touching, tasting, and smelling, this will prevent you from reaching, or meditating or reaching these higher states of meditation and consciousness. I would say using these advanced techniques, it's similar to falling asleep. And when you're asleep, you're less influenced by your 5 senses. It's like that, but now you're fully awake and you're able to consciously limit your distractions, these distractions in your body, so that you're then able to achieve these higher levels of meditation. So make sure you check out my video on meditation stacking and how the advanced monks and meditation experts like myself use several different meditation techniques practiced together in progression to maximize our meditations. It's like warming up and preparing your body and mind, and then you start meditating. Okay, here is a quick recap of today's lesson. I created the 3 levels of meditation for you based on my 32 years of advanced training from these 7th level monks. This way you can now rank and categorize all of these different meditation techniques into 3 simple levels based on their power to directly influence your life, like improving your performance levels, your flow state, your health and well-being, improving your income and your relationship, and most important, improving your spiritual development. The level 1 meditation techniques have the lowest amount of influence. Mindfulness, meditation apps, and meditation music limit your full potential because 1, your focus, energy, and willpower are being directed outward to your 5 senses, and 2, they're non or not spiritual meditation techniques or methods. The level 2 meditation techniques are the medium level, and the popular technique here is Transcendental Meditation. So your focus, energy, and willpower are now directed inward, but like the level 1 techniques, these are also, the level 2 are not spiritual meditation techniques. Now, the level 3 meditation techniques are the highest level and have the most influence over your life and what you're trying to achieve. At level 3, we have the God meditation techniques, which are used by all of these advanced monks, saints, and yogis for a reason. Because to maximize human performance and spiritual performance, evolution, spiritual development, that requires you to connect with God. And I highly recommend you use the level 3 meditation techniques based on the scientific evidence, the spiritual evidence, and my own experience with them over the last 3 decades. And the great thing about them is they're universal. So they can be used by anyone, any religion, any belief system. It doesn't matter. If you have any questions, I'm more than happy to help out. Please leave a comment. Thank you for watching.